So we've got a Genesis G80 with us today at TTW Installations. To be honest, I'm not really sure I've seen one of these on the road yet, but it's in with us today for our full Pro dash camera install, which comprises of the latest generation Blackvue DR970X LTE, which is the cloud connected version with a built-in SIM card, front and rear, as well as the Neo 8 battery pack to give extended parking recording. So I'll just show you how it all looks in here. So this is the interior of a G80. If you've not seen one before, I'll just quickly just show you. And we've positioned the DR970X LTE just here, so it's just underneath, right to central position, and then the actual camera itself is just there, with our own CPL filter, which we give included in the price with these ones, which basically stops any dash reflections. So you've got front camera, which is in there like so, and then I'll just show you this is the inside of the rear, rather nice. And our rear camera we've positioned in this position. I'll just reveal it, the blind, so it fits perfectly just in front of the blind, so it doesn't affect anything there. I'll just pop the blind back up, which you've got like so. And then in the actual rear of the vehicle, we've fitted the battery pack quite nicely just in the back there, so it's nicely out of the way, easily accessible if the customer wants to get to it, and then obviously that will charge as the vehicle is driven. Then basically it will charge the battery pack. Takes about 50-60 minutes to be fully charged, and that can give you anything between sort of 12 and 16 hours typically to run the camera without in parking mode. So if you would like this type of setup for your Genesis or any other vehicle, we'll be very happy to undertake the job here at TTW. Please get in touch.